worked 40 hours a week for 2 years in a clothing store, and every day the same songs would play over and over again on repeat. One of them got stuck in my mind until now. It's been 5 years since I quit. "We should never meet our heroes," that song quoted. At the time, I couldn't understand what it meant. Now I do. It's been 5 years since I quit. I got used to people coming and going in my life. Just like to the clothing store, people would come and go. Some of them would be familiar faces. They would be the regulars. And some of them you would see only once, and they would never step foot through those doors ever again. I always strongly believed that we meet people for a reason. Never mind if they were good or bad to you. I always believed there would be a lesson to be taken from the encounter to grow and move forward in life. But what if you met your hero and your world would shatter? What if those virtues that you so strongly admired in someone once were to turn out into illusion? I think that everybody needs someone that will inspire them and give them the courage to keep going in life. We all need someone to look up to, as long as we're still growing. But what if the person isn't what you thought they would be? I've read somewhere once that we see people how we need them to be at the moment in time and space. And we need to see them a certain way in order to become the person we were meant to be. Life makes just a little bit more sense after hearing this. It doesn't matter if it was real or not what you saw in them. For a minute, it was real, it was there. And that experience is something that cannot be taken away from you. Your perspective might change, but as it does, it's writing its own story. Now, your goal is to recreate what you saw in the other person and what inspired you so much in your own life. And that is something that you can do. It's fascinating how on this earth of 7,000 billion people, one person can have such an impact into our course of life.